Our cactus and succulents have two basic needs, sun and water. Let's go to the sun first. They need full sun most of the time, and most of the cactus and succulents needs full sun, but some needs partial sun. So like this one, they thrive on partial sun. Look, it's very full. They live here under partial sun. They get full sun in the morning and partial sun or shade in the afternoon. Next is water. They need full watering. So when you water, it should be full. The water should be seen here. And then since I'm using 3-part pumice and 2-part soil, the water will just drain down directly below. So they don't get soaked in water for long periods of time and won't get rot. But the problem comes in when it's raining almost every day in your area. Here in the Philippines, we have rainy season. When that comes, it's raining here almost every day. That's why I need this, and I can see the importance of this. Some gardeners use 70% of pumice or inorganic material in their soil mix and just 30% the regular soil. So when it rains and they don't have this clear roof, the water will just drain as fast as it could. But I have tried it on my own. It doesn't work on all succulents. Some succulents will still rot, that they cannot tolerate such uh, everyday raining, and even though their roots are not soaked in wet, but the moisture is there every day, some rot and die. So what works for me is to use a clear roof. It will protect you from rainy seasons or cold seasons, and it will protect you from ultraviolet rays. This clear roof is treated with ultraviolet rays that can protect your plants from the harsh effects of ultraviolet rays. When the heat is so intense, the leaves will sometimes burn because of the ultraviolet rays. So I really appreciate all the benefits of having this clear roof treated with ultraviolet rays.